Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the AutoPro X, and this turns your car's display either into wireless Android Auto or into wireless DeX on your car screen. Yes, you can use DeX on your car screen, and I'm going to show you why that's a good thing and a bad thing. I'm going to show you guys my car and how it works with my screen. It doesn't work the best on smaller screens, I'll tell you that right now, and you'll see that here in a minute in the video. But we're going to talk about the AutoPro X. Let's cut to my car, and I'll show you guys what I mean. Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I want to show you the AutoPro X, and this works with cars that have Android Auto, wired or wireless. It does have to support wired CarPlay, wired Android Auto rather, for sure, which my car is only wired. And if we go home to the home menu here, if we tap this, this is actually the AutoPro X interface right here. If you go over to AutoPro X here, you can go to the AutoPro X option, and that takes you into DeX mode. So I'm going to pause this video real quick and launch DeX on my phone. Alright, so we have DeX launched here. Now, how this works and how well this works really depends on your vehicle. This screen, I think, is an 8-inch screen. It's not the highest resolution or anything like that. So you see we have a warning there about that. If you have a device with a large screen or higher resolution, it's a little bit easier. As you can see, things down here are very, very small and stuff like that. So it's kind of hard. Like, we can open Apple Music here. You can run all your apps from, your phone, but getting up here to the X is very difficult. They do have some other modes where you can go in and change the screen to make it just kind of like the left portion here, 16 by 9, or you can shrink it down so these like corner buttons are easier to get to. But this screen, the buttons are so small, it's just a pain either way. So the only way it's really usable on my specific car, which is a 2019 Hyundai Elantra, is if you use your phone as a trackpad. As you can see, it's almost impossible to touch these buttons. So using your phone as a trackpad is pretty much a must on this setup. Now, if you're just going to be doing that to pull up like a YouTube video or Netflix as you sit in your car somewhere, that's fine. The main feature I use this for is just the wireless Android Auto. I may actually return this though, because I don't see myself using the DeX portion of it really ever, because I don't really sit in my car waiting anywhere or where I'd want to be, using those features. So I might just go ahead and pick up an Android Auto adapter that does CarPlay as well. I can get it for like $40 cheaper, and stuff like that. So I might pick one of those up rather than this, but it is pretty cool if you have a larger screen, and the interface would be a lot more usable then. But pretty cool that you can do that. You can use any apps on DeX, and of course you can use wireless Android Auto as well. So that is the AutoPro X on my 2019 Hyundai Elantra with my Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.